camping? You love going to camping?
Hey guys. Hi guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification. Bye bye.
Welcome to our channel. So we are here at Halfway Springs Campground and we're gonna camp here tonight, and later we're gonna go to the hot springs. So if you like this kind of video, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you. Hey guys, good morning. So this is our second day here at the camp at Halfway Hot Springs. So this is our setup, guys. We're gonna show you. We slept here in our teepee tent and it's a very nice campsite, but it's just only, I think I asked the boy who worked here, he said they cater only 20 spots for camping. So this campsite is a first come first serve basis, and of course bring cash. That's what we missed because we were thinking this site is full already, and because it's Canada Day, so we were assuming that all the spot is occupied. So we just tried our luck yesterday and luckily we found the spot here. It's a very nice spot. So the problem is we didn't bring our cash, and we dig up all our wallets and everything in the car to find some loose coins. Maybe there is some, and luckily we gathered $9.10. So we're still lacking because it's $15 per night here, and it is very nice because there's a trail going to the hot spring itself. You're gonna go down a very nice easy trail. So yes, I asked the office site, the personnel here about our payments. So he was considerate enough to told us to, he accepted our $9.10, and he said we'll just pay through money transfer, right, Kendrick? So yes, 90 cents. So there we have a hammock there with our baby sleeping and his brother watching over him. So yes, it's a very nice campsite here, but you have to come, like, you have to make sure that you have to bring cash every time. Went yesterday to the hot springs, and I will link here in this video the video of our hot spring experience. So this is a must try, guys, if you want to stay like more for the weekend camping. It is a very nice campsite here, very quiet, and about last night we slept okay. It wasn't that cold. So yeah, we had so much fun here in the campsite. So I will tour you in our campsite in a little bit. So this is our tent here. Set up our awning. We had our breakfast already, and they provided also a very nice large table for us. And look at that. This is your view here, and there's like several campsites there. There's one, I think this is for tenting. And you say hi, Kendrick.
Hi!
Yeah,
And Oliver's inside the hammock.
yeah, he's sleeping. See the baby. Yeah, sleeping baby. So yes, guys. So we are packing up and we're going to our another destination. So if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on our next